Hot as balls. Mom said I better hydrate. I'm gonna be mad. I got no water.
to Texas Truck Jam at NS Texas Motor fucking Plex. Cut. What's up, guys? Doran from PSE here. So last weekend we finally pulled the race truck out after 2.5 years, and we headed over to Ennis, Texas for Texas Motorplex. What are you laughing at, bitch? What you laughing at? Bitch. Why are you laughing? Why are you zooming in? Bitch, I'm gonna throw something at you. What you laughing at? Ya, se te salió el demonio, güey? Alright. Hey, what's up, guys? Doran from PSE here. So, last weekend... Stop laughing, bitch. We're having issues staging. I didn't know there was a such thing as old nitrous. I'm gonna throw something at your ass. What's up, guys? Doran from PSE here again. So, last weekend, we finally got the race truck out. Our buddies at... from Texas Truck Jam held an event up in Ennis at Texas Motorplex, and so we all decided to get the truck out, get it a little ready, and make some passes up there. I mean, it was close to home, and just got that little itch to get it back out. So as soon as we got there, it got hot real quick. I think about midday, it was about 108 or something like that. We were out there pounding waters and Gatorades and whatnot, but our first pass off the trailer, we ran a 676. It still felt like it had a spooling issue. I talked to Chris at TSD, and we lowered the staging limiter. It used to be about 3,200 RPMs. We brought it down to about 27. For some reason, after 3,000 RPMs, that 6R converter doesn't like it, and it tries to lock up at the line and tries to stall and do all kinds of funky stuff. But with real soft launches, we got three 670 passes. I did a 740 on the third pass because I double bulbed on myself, and it kind of messed me up on the timing when we ran. But all in all, the truck ran real good for being sitting for about 2.5 years and little maintenance on it. The PMS suspension held up real good. The Midwest trans that we still have in there, the Suncoast converter, all the Speed Labs fabrication still holding up real good. The TSD tunes, all that running top notch. We did figure out the staging issue. We have a nitrous solenoid sticking, so we got to get that replaced. There's a couple things we're gonna do. Another thing we are doing to it, the 6R is coming out of that thing. It's just not consistent. We need a little harder launch, about, I would say, 3,200 RPMs. That's where that motor stays happy, that turbo stays happy, and that's where we want to be at. So big thanks to all the guys that are always helping us out on that. TSD was there helping us. Hot Shot Secrets with the fluids. I was trying to get my bottles filled there at the race park, but I didn't know there was expiration on them. So I had Nitrous Outlet hooked us up with a brand new bottle. And another thing I didn't know is old nitrous. That nitrous that sits for a while doesn't work properly. That's a new one to me. I'm sure I'm gonna get crap over that, but I didn't know that, but whatever. But so yeah, we're excited to, we're gonna stick to local stuff. So we're excited to get it back out. Hopefully lower some weight on it. We want to get into the 590 class, but we're just gonna see how this new transmission is gonna hold up, and we'll work from there. So let's see how this goes. Thanks. And it was pretty cool. I mean, there was a lot of people out there asking how long it's been and knocking the cobwebs off and all this stuff. They're giving us crap about it, giving me crap about it, but it was fun. It was nice to be out there. It was hot as hell. My buddy Vic got a little dehydrated. I think we all did, but Vic took the biggest hit on it. But no, thank you everybody that was out there, everybody that commented on our pictures, videos, and everything. Thanks for coming by and chatting with us. So good seeing y'all. We'll see y'all later. Yeah, I was just rambling.